Hey boys and girls, my name is Kara and I work at Canoochee. That's a power company in Reidsville that builds power lines to your houses so that you can have TV and lights every day. This book is Cat and Duck and the Electric Cooperative, and it's written and illustrated by Patrick Wood, and he actually works at a power company in Missouri and wrote this book for you guys. Cat and Duck and the Electric Cooperative. Cat stood by the window watching the thunderstorm outside. He didn't mind storms as long as the power didn't go out. Sure is a rainy day today, says Cat. Rumble, 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 boom. Ah! Hello, Cat, said a voice. Ah, monster, yelled Cat. We're doomed. It's just me, you silly cat. It's Duck, laughed the voice. Don't worry, our electric cooperative will have the power back on very soon. What is an electric cooperative? Asked Cat. That is a great question, Cat, said Duck. Why don't we hop in the Anywhere and Everywhere machine and learn about electric cooperatives? First, they went to an old city. In the early 1930s, people living in cities had electricity, but if you lived on a farm, you were not as lucky, said Duck. That's unfair, yelled Cat. That is why farmers in rural areas like ours got together and started electric cooperatives. They started building power lines almost 100 years ago, said Duck. After talking with the lineman, Cat and Duck went over to visit with local farmers. Since the farmers paid to help start the electric cooperative, they own it, said Duck. That makes cooperative special, said the farmer with the nice hat. Each year, members like us get to vote and help pick the people in charge. It was a special day when the cooperative turned the power on for the first time in our area, Duck told Cat. Can you imagine what life was like before electricity? Do you remember what it was like, Duck? Asked Cat. I'm not that old, laughed Duck. Today, our electric cooperative provides electricity to thousands of people in our rural area. They even help other cooperatives when big storms like tornadoes and hurricanes make the power go out, said Duck. That is very helpful, said Cat. Duck, where does our electricity come from? Cat and Duck use the Anywhere and Everywhere machine to visit an electric power plant. At our cooperative, we get electricity that is created from natural gas, coal, wind, water, and solar power, said Duck. Another great thing about cooperatives is that they care about the communities they serve, stated Duck. They help with local programs and events, and they even visit schools to teach students about the importance of electric safety. I can remember when they came to my school, shouted Cat. After a fun adventure, Cat and Duck returned home to a nice surprise. The power is back on, cheered Duck. That was fast, said Cat. Cat ran to the window to see if the line workers were still out there. Thank you for getting the power back on, yelled Cat. Electric cooperatives are the best. The end. Thanks for letting me read to you.